We must have heard this story or this incident, which is shared by a certain Dr. Paul Brand, who used to treat leprosy. And he tells a story about a man whom he treated in India. So Dr. Brand laid his hand on the shoulder of this leper as he tried to explain through an interpreter the course of the treatment which he was supposed to go through. And as he was explaining the treatment, this leper started crying, and Dr. Brand was perplexed as to maybe he had said something wrong about something which hurt that leper. And the interpreter told Dr. Brand that this leper was crying because he touched him. All this while, no one had touched this leper, but this doctor touched him, and this leper was was filled with emotion. In today's gospel, we see the same thing. We see Jesus who goes to the people, and oftentimes we see Jesus is portrayed as the one who goes to the sick or goes to a sinner. And today's gospel is a very nice gospel where the people are also eager to, there's a desire of the people for them to touch Jesus or even to touch the fringe of his garment. And this healing by touching echoes that miracle of the lady with the hemorrhage, which we had heard a few days back. The lady with the hemorrhage who touched the fringe of the cloak of Jesus. And that is the faith which healed that lady and these people also.